41 degrees in this January garage thing that I'm working in. And I'm bound and determined to get my bike running, my little Honda Dio Elite, for summer. My big problem is I wait until the third week of March when it gets warm, halfway warm in the shop, because right now it's about 41 degrees. And so I'm going to come out and do a little work. What I was wondering is, this head system, which I believe is pretty good, it has two different sections. It has a lower and an upper section. The radiator fluid goes into the top section right here. It comes out here, goes into the lower section, okay, and then it comes out right here. And I've been having a problem with vapor lock or something. So what I want to ask everyone out there is if I found some 3/4 inside diameter, three-quarter inside diameter dual ply hose. I wonder, has anyone ever used that before? Because getting it to go from here to here without kinking is an absolute, it's very, very hard to do. So that's what I'm going to do. So far, I got my tunes over here. And I found out a way to hook up with the Bluetooth. I didn't know what Bluetooth was. I got everything cleaned out here. This is my radiator I had in it. These two little radiators are from Honda Ruckuses. They're brilliant as far as the way they're designed. Small design. They're designed so you have the engine fan right on one side of them, and it sucks the air right through them. The only problem with them is that the lower part right here has a nipple. The upper part has a removable nipple that sticks out about 2 inches. And I'm always thinking, well, what if I put everything together and the nipple won't stay in there? But actually, it's a I don't know how efficient these are. It seems to be a really nice design to stick under everything. But the problem is that I have side-by-side hoses, one on the left, one on the right. And to use this, you basically need an upper and a lower on one side. That or some way to do the plumbing to make it work. So I don't know. I mean, I'm glad I bought these. They're very, very, very high quality radiators. So I'm sure that I can do something with them. But anyway, that's where I'm at in the shop right now. I'm going to turn some tunes on.